Okay, it's on.
Is it on now?
It's on now, yeah.
Yeah, it's on this thing.
Uh-oh, we got an obstacle here. I'm glad we came early.
No, we gotta take the pictures.
Oh, they're taking pictures, okay.
Wait, yeah, so ready to go?
Okay, ready to go.
Crazy guy.
What's your partner doing out there?
See you later, sir.
Okay.
Just wait, please, in the yellow line. The girl. Yeah, the girl going down. Yeah, wait, please, in the yellow line here, please.
Okay. Thank you very much.
What up?
And that was a ride on the zip line. Woo!
A thinner one could withstand a truck.
Yeah. Can you see the lava coming down? Yeah. Nicole made it. Hey, hot stuff, the lava's pouring down today. Yeah, really.
Very pretty.
There's the last one there.
Really, look at those both right on now. You can see the lava rocking.
So we gotta go down to go over, I guess. Can you see the lava?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Is Jerry coming in? No? Yeah?
That center section on this one is velocity.
So I was able to make it all the way this time.
Yeah, well, he wasn't bouncing the cable like he was.
Yeah.
They were just messing with you guys.
That's what I thought, because I'm like, that's not going to slow it down, but...
Yeah, they rock it side to side when they want you to spread your legs. But
Your body's traveling.
Oh, yeah.
well, we'll have to see what this looks like on YouTube.
Oh my gosh, did it turn out good?
I don't know. I'm still running it. Look at the lava. It's just pouring down today. We'll have to stay here another night.
Check it out.
So we got one more to do after this, a short one.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Look at, I just have weird stuff all over myself.
What do you have? Here, I gotta take a. Oh wait, let me zoom there.
Check that out. Shooting on the mountain.
Okay, we've survived the zip lines. We got one short one to do, and then we're all done. We'll see you on YouTube.
Signing off.